Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make OBS record only games audio. So let's go to the OBS Studio first. Then you have to click on settings. After click on settings, go to audio. Then make sure that your desktop audio is default and the desktop audio 2 is disabled. Okay. Now you have to just click on apply, then click on OK. Now go to settings again. Click on output. In the output section you have to click on this recording format should be MP4. Make sure it is on MP4. Now you have to click on apply here, then click on OK. Now you have to click on start recording. So this is how you can do this. This is how you can make OBS record only audio, game audio. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.